Hello friends, here is a short description about the mechanism of osmoregulation and excretion in the terrestrial animals. So osmoregulation refers to regulation in the osmotic fluid in our body. So terrestrial osmoregulation, maintaining a constant water balance and the key to terrestrial animals for their successful survival. The physiology of advantage for the terrestrial animals, the easy availability of oxygen and major threat is danger of dehydration. So water balance in the terrestrial animals, that is water loss and the water loss through the evaporation from the body surface, from respiratory system through urine and the feces, other specialized secretion, while the water gain in our body through the drinking water uptake via body surface from air, water in food, oxidation of water, that's in metabolic water. So, in terrestrial organism, water osmoregulation occurs through the moist skin. So, in example, like earthworm, an earthworm when kept in open in dry air loses weight very rapidly and due to loss of water and dies. So, in snail and slugs, these animal evaporates through the skin is very high, and these carry water impermeable shell made up of calcium carbonate, which they are can withdraw and protect from desiccation, and they estivate and are active after rain and are nocturnal. So desert snail and also known as the sphincterochida, the amphibian frog, and these animals also respires through the skin. The chiromantis skin is active. Phallor medusa, American frog, excrete uric acid instead of the urea, and in arthropods also respires through the skin. So these are the examples of the uh, moist skinned animals. So in reptiles and in birds and mammals, the kangaroo rat found in desert of North America, the water derived from the oxidation of food. These animal mostly spends its time in the burrows. The camel is the desert are adapted to further reduce the water content during the exhalation of air through lungs. So here is a flow chart of the osmoregulation in the mammals. So osmoregulation and excretion in the earthworm through the nephridia and flame cells, conducted tubules, selective reabsorption. So last view of the nephridia. So different modes of the gaseous exchange through the different organ in frog. So frog respires in three ways, like with the help of the lungs, through skin and the nostrils. So osmoregulation and excretion in insects with the help of the Malpighian tubule, which is 100 to 150 small, tiny thread-like structure, also known as Malpighian tubule, and in osmoregulation in reptiles and in avian osmoregulation is like this. An overview of the osmoregulation in terrestrial animals. So problems of the terrestrial animals faces dry environment, loss of water through evaporation, and basic principle is the prevent loss of water and conserve of water. So all about the osmoregulation in terrestrial organism. Keep watching. Thank you.